Everyone wants a shortcut. They're searching for the easy way out, hoping they can skip the grind and land on top. But it doesn't work that way. There's no magic trick, no secret formula. There's only the grind, the daily battle against yourself.
This is Striving Motivation TV, your source of inspiration.
Everyone is looking for a shortcut. They want the results without the work, the trophies without the pain, success without sacrifice. They want it all handed to them on a silver platter, thinking there's a way to hack the system. But that's not how life works. There's no cheat code, no shortcut to greatness.
Look deep into your souls, for your mettle is to be tested this day. If in the heat of battle, you need a reason to fight on, an idea for which you will give up all that you will ever have.
We're gonna do the hard fucking thing, man. We're gonna do the hard thing, man, because that's where you get big balls in life. Because it makes the world a better place for my kids.
For there is no nobler cause than to fight for those who will lay down their life for you.
Every second you waste, someone else is out there grinding. Every second you're stuck in hesitation, doubt, or fear, someone else is building their dream. They're putting in the hours, the pain, the sacrifice. And guess what? They're going to get there because they're willing to go where you won't.
You fight strong today. You fight for your brothers. Fight for your families.
What's stopping you right now? Is it the fatigue, the fear of failure, the comfort of mediocrity? You're in control of those excuses. You're the one letting them run the show.
Greatness is earned in the moments when nobody is watching, when you're alone, grinding, doing what others are too weak to do.
While you rest, someone else is out there pushing through the pain. While you hesitate, someone else is moving forward. And you think the champions are lucky? They're relentless. Every day, every hour, they push beyond their limit. You got to get rid of that voice in your head that says it's too hard. That voice that tells you tomorrow, later, maybe next time. Because every later you say, someone else is saying now.
You can choose comfort or you can choose progress. You can't have both. The road to greatness is paved with discomfort, with sacrifice, with pain. It's waking up earlier than everyone else. It's staying later than anyone else. It's pushing yourself when you're tired, when you're sore, when you think you've hit the wall and can't go further. It's understanding that no one is going to hand you success. If you want it, you have to take it.
Time doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care about your struggles. It keeps moving day after day, hour after hour. Time isn't waiting for you to be ready. You're either in or you're out. You either outwork everyone else or you fall behind.
It's in those moments when you feel like giving up that you need to push harder. When your mind tells you it's enough, that's when you have to dig deeper. Because if you stop now, you'll never know how close you were to breaking through. You'll never know what you could have achieved if you'd just gone that extra mile.
This battle isn't just against your competition. It's against yourself. It's against that part of you that wants to quit, that wants to stay comfortable, that's scared of failure. But you're stronger than that. You have more inside of you than you realize. When you want to quit, remember why you started. Remember all those nights you stayed up, grinding, believing in something greater. Remember the promise you made to yourself, the dreams you said you'd chase, the life you said you'd build.
No one's gonna do it for you. No one's gonna carry you to the top. It's on you. You have to rise, you have to fight, you have to work harder than anyone else in the room. You have to outlast them, out-hustle them, out-grind them, because at the end of the day, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the work you're willing to put in. Are you ready to give it everything? Because that's what it takes. Every single day. No excuses, no shortcuts. Just raw, relentless effort.
And when you look back years from now, you'll remember these moments. The moments when you chose to keep going, when you didn't quit. And that's when you'll realize it wasn't luck, it wasn't talent, it was work. And that's what makes you unstoppable.
Discipline and spirit are the hallmarks of a Marine. Each of you can become a Marine if you develop discipline and spirit. We will give